Hi guys, this is Cody here, and I'm being made to experiment fidget spinner versus egg. Now these are the ordinary eggs that you get from, and I have to spin this kind of fast to get it going, as you can see. So let's get right into the video. So here we go. I gotta get it really fast. Here we go. Oh, it hit the yolk out. Let's do it again with the other side. So I'm just gonna drop it. Oh, it cracked it open. Oh, dang. Oh God. See what it does now. My hand's very slippery.
And guys, we have another egg, so we're gonna try my sister's fidget spinner. It's just a common one, not like this fidget spinner. So we're gonna try that here in just a second. All right, bye.